There was a pious brother who was regular in prayers and fasting. He faced extreme hardships and struggled to find work despite making countless efforts. He even tried various supplications, but nothing seemed to help. One day, while sitting in a mosque, he met a pious elder and shared his struggles. The elder advised him to recite Salawat abundantly, assuring him that blessings would follow. Out of love for the Prophet, peace be upon him, he began reciting Salawat regularly. Soon, he received a job offer and moved abroad. Life was going well until a major trial struck. The city he lived in came under attack, and chaos spread everywhere. The building he was in collapsed, leaving many dead around him. Despite the disaster, he remained steadfast in prayer and Salawat. While others suffered severe injuries, he miraculously escaped with minor wounds. After being trapped for 3 days, help finally arrived and he was rescued. Over time, life returned to normal, and today he lives a prosperous life. He firmly believes that reciting Salawat brought him relief and created ways out of hardship. So, never stop sending Salawat upon the Prophet, peace be upon him. Through his love, divine mercy will always reach you.